Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Real Men Get It Done. Thank you so much for tuning in. My channel is all about empowering millennial men to take care of yourself and home to make life easier. Alright, so this video highlights the home of a client that I'm getting ready to clean to make their life easier. So follow me on this move in, move out journey. You're bound to pick up some awesome tips and tricks. Fellas, I get it. You may not think cleaning is in your DNA, but we gotta get to it. These are just some of the benefits of a clean home, but for real, it just makes life easier to have a healthy and clean environment. And of course, your significant other will thank you. Let's get into it. Real men get it done.
Why me, go cry you forever. You're sexy and you know that I'm your favorite. And all I want to is
Alright, we're going to get right into it, tackling the bedrooms. So first and foremost, I always like to try to dust first if I can. Some high and low dusting, including the ceiling fans. There are a variety of dusting tools that are on the market, from brooms to feather dusters, expandable poles, you name it. I'll put the links in the descriptions of the things that I love to use. But just starting off, dusting just to get any cobwebs and to prepare the room to get a good vacuuming. And sometimes you can't see everything. It's very hard to see things sometimes when you're showing it for a cleaning, but believe me, all homes will have a dust and cobwebs, spider webs that make it just a good thing to clean. And then after that, you can go ahead with vacuuming the room thoroughly and just wiping down as many surfaces as you can. One trick I'm implementing that I want to tell you about is Autobahn. I love using it. It's a good cleaner and disinfector. So what you saw me doing, I actually sprayed the carpet with it before I vacuumed to get any germs or bacteria that may be left on the carpet. Alright, next we're going to tag team the master bathroom and bedroom, doing some of the same process I just showed you, but when in terms of the bathroom, the easiest thing in terms of cleaning a bathroom, always focus on the vanity area first, the tub second, and the toilet last. So that is kind of how we'll hit it. And just knowing that you have to deep clean these areas every now and again, especially for this client, obviously, but if it's your own personal home, they just need some attention on the regular, just to have that clean home. Believe me, it will make life easier to have a clean, decluttered, and organized bathroom.
what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Ready? Baby, I don't really know what you want to do. Maybe you can show me what you gonna do. Or we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life, what me gon' do? Make you feel nice, what me gon' do? Girl, you don't know what you done do. Girl, and bad, speed up. Say you're not treat man bad, true enough. But you too goddamn bad, beat it up. No, say you're that my girl, but you run down. Remember how you say you want me. Send girl on my yard, come call me. Tell somebody. No, say you got that body, eh. Baby, I don't really know what you want to. Maybe you can show me what you gon' do. And we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life.
Toilets are gross, but they have to be done. A simple method is just using a toilet bowl brush, a little bit of toilet cleaner. I love the Autobahn again because it's that cleaner and disinfectant to really get it clean and deodorized. We like the old school method of just getting on our hands and knees, getting in there and getting it done. If that's not your cup of tea, there's a lot of different tools that you can buy to clean the toilet, but it has to be deep cleaned and deodorized and cleaned of those germs and bacteria.
Make it all night if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life, what me gon' do? Make you feel nice, what me gon' do? Girl, you don't know what you done do. Girl, and bad, speed up. Say you're not treat man bad, true enough. But you too goddamn bad, beat it up. No, say you're that my girl, but you run down. Remember how you say you want me. Sing girl on my yard, come call me. Tell somebody. No, say you got that. Hey, baby, I don't really know what you want to do. you show me what you gon' do. We can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life, what me gon' do. Make you feel nice, what me gon' do. Girl, you don't know what you done do. Girl, I just wanna see you rock a little. Turn around and tick-tock a little. Girl, I just wanna see you rock a little. Turn around and tick-tick-tick. Girl, I just wanna see you rock a little. Turn around and tick-tock a little. Girl, I just wanna see.
Cleaning. People don't often realize that when we as cleaners definitely do deep cleans, even if a home looks clean on the surface, we will find and catch everything. Dusting is a huge piece that takes up a lot of our time. And if a home has floors or vacuuming, you would be amazed of how much dirt and grime are on hardwood or tile or linoleum floors. And then also the dirt that's even in a vacuum cleaner after vacuuming a home. So this particular home that we're in also has flooring, carpet all upstairs. We vacuumed all that, all the stairs and everything. This was a clean vacuum cleaner. And then I just want to show you guys what it looks like now. Some people don't believe that we really deep clean, and we do. So this is crazy. This is only one home that has this whole canister pretty much full of dust. And at the bottom, it lies in there. So again, we don't do anything that's really, you know, a surface clean. If we're gonna clean it, we're gonna clean it right and do it right. Nice deep clean. Real men get it done.
Girl, I breathe me like GoPro. She want more money, more paper. Then come down to Jamaica. Then let me give you some flavor. Girl, you sexy and you know that. Yeah, you my ex, you my throwback. Me no want a girl for give me beer back chat. Prefer get a girl for send me beer Snapchat. We can party on a Friday. Why me, go cry you, whatever. You're sexy and you know that I'm your favorite. And all I want to ask is why me, go cry you, whatever. Babe, hold on, yeah. From me looking at my eyes, girl, you know what's in me. Jingle bring the beer alive every time, you know. From me looking at my eyes, girl, you know what's in me. Jingle bring the beer alive every time, you know, girl.
All right, after the floors are beautifully done, then we are going to head to the kitchen to do a full deep clean. In the kitchen, what's often usually missed that you have to conquer is behind your appliances. So behind the stove, behind the refrigerator, don't forget that. And again, the high and low dusting with your cabinets and on top of your cabinets as well. So after we finalize the kitchen, it will be a good deep clean mop, and then we'll be done.
Baby, I don't really know what you want to. Maybe you can show me what you gon' do. And we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life, what me gon' do. Make you feel nice, what me gon' do. Girl, you don't know what you done do.
Alright guys, that concludes the video. Here are the finishing touches. Man, we got this, fellas. Let's work, let's get in, let's grind it up so that we can make our homes and our lives easier. Real men get it done. Till next time, peace and blessings.
Maybe you can show me what you gon' do. And we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life, what me gon' do. Make you feel nice, what me gon' do. Girl, you don't know what you undo. Girl, you change the